Login failed on WalletHub App Fix. You open the WalletHub app expecting to see your credit score or personalized finance tips, but instead, you get that dreaded error login failed. Most people assume it's a big issue, but the truth is, it's usually something small that's easy to fix. Start by checking your internet connection. WalletHub requires a stable network to log you in securely. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or the other way around. Next, make sure the app is up to date. An outdated version can't always sync properly with WalletHub servers. Head to the App Store or Google Play, search WalletHub, and tap Update if available. Then, re-enter your login credentials manually. Avoid using saved passwords or autofill. A single outdated entry or extra space can cause login errors. If that doesn't work, hit Forgot Password to reset your credentials securely. If you've enabled biometric login like Face It or Fingerprint, disable it temporarily and log in with your password once. This refreshes your authentication token and can instantly solve the problem. Clearing your cache also helps. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WalletHub Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to refresh the data. If you're using a PIN, ad blocker, or any security app, turn it off briefly. WalletHub may block logins from masked addresses or flagged network sources. Finally, if none of these steps work, check WalletHub's official social pages or site for outage notices. Sometimes it's a temporary server issue. So the next time your WalletHub app says login failed, don't stress. A quick app update, password refresh, or cache clear usually does the trick. You'll be back to checking your credit insights and personal finance data in no time.